On the 12th of May, let's talk about your contracts and your assets. During the Bosco webinar, I will talk about how to perform your existing contracts and how to make new ones. And of course, I will discuss the impact of COVID-19 on international contracts. I'm going to talk about negotiations. Negotiations with anyone who claims that because of the COVID-19, they are unable to perform their contract review. You must have heard about the concept of force majeure, and anyone claiming that it prevents them from the performance of their contract should be properly checked. You may have received a note about your delivery being late, telling you that your service has been cancelled, or that your investment bonus has been cancelled. I will look at it from an international perspective, whether your contract is bound by the English, French, German, Polish, Ukrainian or Russian law. I will look at it from different angles. Then I will turn 180 degrees and I will tell you what you can do if you have trouble performing your own contract. I can do it because, well, I'm a lawyer. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Adam Morawski, and I am the head of an international team of lawyers called Morawski Partners, based in Warsaw, Poland. I will be pleased to meet you on the 12th of May at the Bosco conference. See you there.